Hello children, how are you? This is your pre-skill book, book number 9. Today we are going to learn in this pre-skill book. Previous video we scribble the pages. First page we scribble and we also uh, draw hairs on this on the man's head. Okay, today we are going to learn on page number 5. Write today's date, that is 22/7/2021. This is homework for you. What you do, connect the balloons, join the balloons by drawing strings with your pencil. One is done for you. See here, there is one girl, he is standing with a balloon and the balloons are free in the air. And what you have to do, you connect this balloon with this girl's hand. One day show you how to connect. I will show you another one. See, the balloons are in the air and you connect this balloon with the girl's hand like this. Okay, very good. Like this you connect all the balloons, okay, to the girl's hand like this and show it to me. Okay, then next we are going to learn sounds. Sounds means awaj. On page number 6 write today's date, that is 22/7/21. What you know about the sound? किस किस चीज़ का आवाज़ आता है आपको? घर में मम्मी बुलाती है, मम्मी calls you, that time you listen the sound of your mummy. Then birds are there, outside birds are there, vehicles are there, all they are making noise. When in your house vessels are also making noise. When you drop the vessel down, that time also they make noise. Your TV is noise. Your papa has any vehicle, then that vehicle has also noise. Then these noise are these noise we will learn today. Loud and soft sounds. Okay, some sounds are loud and some are soft sound. In last year we see the sounds of vehicles. In our house mama makes food, dal chawal, where she kept dal chawal in the cooker. Then that cooker also make shitty. How that makes shh, whistle, shh, shh, shh. 3 times mama that cooker makes whistle. Then mama tells, yes, dal chawal is ready. The cooker also makes sound. Then you are in the mandir also, there is some sounds are there. Which sound there is sounds of bells. Then some sounds are of vehicles, bus, car, auto, train, aeroplane. So many sounds are there. Some sounds are loud sound, some sounds are soft sound. When mama beat you, that time you started crying. That sound is loud or soft? Yes, you cry loudly. Wah, 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 wah. You cry loudly. But when mama gives you chocolate and tells you don't say anybody, that time your sound is soft sound. You are happy and you keep quiet. That time you are not making noise. So we see 2 types of sound. There are loud and soft sound. For this we will see some examples. See here, look at the pictures. Some make loud sounds and some make soft sound. Let us try and imagine the sounds they make. Okay, tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is car. In your house there is toy like this. Car toy is there, and you see what makes sound the car? Vroom, 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 vroom. Then that sound is loud or soft? Yes, this is loud sound. So we write here L for loud sound and S for soft sound. Then which picture is this? Yes, this is a crow. What sound crow makes? Cow, cow, cow. Does he make softly? He shouted softly? No. When crow started, the crow make harsh sound. How crows shouted cow, cow, cow. That time we keep the hands on our eyes because he shouted so loudly. So this voice of crow is also loud voice. And this is picture of snake. You saw the snake? Yes, you get frightened when you saw the snake. And what sound makes a snake? This snake sound is loud or soft? Yes, it is soft. We hear the sound softly. The snake sound is soft. We hear the sound, very soft sound it is. Then which picture is this? Yes, you know very well. It is dog. How dog barks? Bhow, 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 bhow. The sound is loud or soft? Yes, the dog barks loudly. So this is loud voice. Then which vehicle is this? Yes, it is ambulance. You see ambulance on the road? Yes, when someone is very sick, they take to the hospital that patient with very loud sound. Which sound the ambulance make? Nee now, nee now, nee now. And ambulance runs fastly on the road with making loud sound. Nee now, nee now. When the patient is very sick, they wanted to take that patient fastly to the hospital, so they make loud sound. Loud sound. See here, these are keys. Listen the sound of key. It is loud or soft? Yes, it is soft because it has no more sound. Like this, it is only tin, 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 tin. There it is only. And like this crow, it is not loud sound. See here, it is soft sound. Key has soft sound. Then this picture is of honeybee. Honeybee collect honey from the flowers and make honey. So this honeybee makes sound like this. They make sound. So is this loud or soft? Yes, this is soft sound. So we will write S. Then these are pins. These are also pins. The sound of pin is, see here, it is soft sound. When bunch of pins be kept down, then the sound comes, it is very soft. It is very soft. So these are sounds. There are two types of sound, which is loud and soft. Like this we see more examples in our house. You see, when you want to listen loud music, that time you increase the volume of your television, and you want to listen soft music, that time you decrease the sound of your television. So sounds, when you want to see loud sound, when you want to dance on the sound, that time the volume is big, that is loud sound. If you want to dance on the Sairat music, that time the music is loud. Then, but when you want to listen the bhakti geet or classical music, that time the sound is very soft. Teacher shouts you, that time the teacher's voice is loud. But teacher tell you the story, or teacher wanted to say poetry, that time the sound of teacher is soft. When mama is angry, that time mama's voice is also loud. But when mama gives you love, that time mama's voice also is soft voice. Like this, we differentiate the sounds between loud and soft. Now we will see on page number 7, write today's date, that is 22/7/2021. This is homework for you. Color the bee. Does a bee make loud or soft sound? Color the bee after you imitate the sound it makes. You make the sound like honey bee. See, you make the sound with your mouth and see which sound is this, loud or soft. You underline that sound and color this picture, okay, and show it to me. Okay, thank you children. Bye.